Are you looking for the perfect solution for your aluminum furniture needs? Or tell me what your ideal aluminum furniture looks like. We are proud to be your one-stop solution, partnering with over 40 listed cabinet factories. Our mission: to elevate your aluminum furniture experience. Through our dedicated services, we've helped these factories achieve remarkable annual growth rates of 15 to 28% in aluminum product output value. Imagine transforming your space with stylish, durable, and sustainable aluminum furniture. Our partners are equipped to deliver high-quality products that meet your unique needs. Our expertise doesn't just stop at manufacturing. We provide comprehensive support, from design consultation to logistics, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. With 20 years of experience in cabinet aluminum materials, we've established ourselves as a leader in this industry. Our journey began decades ago, fueled by a passion for quality and a commitment to excellence. We've honed our craft, mastering the art of transforming aluminum into stunning, functional furniture that stands the test of time. What sets our products apart? It's all in the details. Our aluminum furniture is lightweight yet incredibly strong, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it's resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring that your investment lasts for years to come. We believe that great design should be accessible to everyone. That's why our team of talented designers continuously pushes the boundaries of creativity, crafting pieces that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about the quality and style of our products. They appreciate the blend of modern design and practical functionality that our aluminum furniture brings to their spaces. Ready to elevate your home or office with our premium aluminum furniture? Visit our website to explore our full range of products and discover how we can help you create the perfect space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. With 20 years of experience, we're not just making furniture, we're crafting a legacy. Join us on this journey and experience the difference today. Ready to elevate your space with aluminum furniture? Contact us today and discover how we can help you achieve your vision. Your one-stop solution for aluminum furniture needs, where quality meets innovation.